Yazi vele ngokwayibona mixtape ye freestyle.
Yeah, my nigga.
Try mixtape ye freestyle.
Mixtape ye freestyle,
Yeah,
my
but ke mamela so it's freestyle.
Freestyle on this.
It's Nick and Gigi and
Yo,
I first
say.
Yeah, freestyle nathi sizathi sawuthini.
Yeah.
But as long as betha flow nice ebitini.
Yeah.
Uphakamisa incindi lakho uthi viva. As long as shake mthithi khona girls in like diva.
Yeah.
Yes.
Alokho manje sitikela le silver. Sifuna le mali chonga mani sitiva. Je le freestyle mani sipusha baiva. It's like mani chonga dwana sibuyi ngava.
I first ukuthi xethetha nawe yemthitha yiva.
Yeah.
Sithume dala shishi thina siphumele niniva.
Hey.
Andali nawe mhlambi I hope uyandiva. Okanye ufuna ngithele mo emthitha ndiyagiva.
Okay,
it's LB and nigga first. Gamajita wasedwesi. It's LB and nigga first. Gamajita labaze dressy. It's LB and nigga first. Gamajita balabaze dressy. It's LB and nigga first. Gamajita balabaze dressy.
Then they get to change the beat. Change the beat. Change the beat.
Change the beat and then change the beat.
Change the beat.
Change the beat. Change the beat. Change the beat.
Change the beat. Change the beat.
Change the beat.
Rasta man change the beat into a little bit. And everybody wanna listen to this soul kid. And everything that they're doing in this soul kid. Tell you about the things that we know we so young.
Ngeza sebaye manje sisukele sibaye. Nawe manje sikelele usethu nawe ungasibaye. Hey man wena ungasibaye ha. Isithatha isitabileyo manje sibone pheke ba.
Nigga,
it's freestyle.
Freestyle on this.
It's Nick and Gigi and
I first say.
Yeah, freestyle nathi sizathi sawuthini.
Yeah.
But as long as betha flow nice ebitini.
Yeah.
Uphakamisa incindi lakho uthi viva. As long as shake mthithi khona girls in like diva.
Yeah.
Yes.
Alokho manje sitikela le silver. Sifuna le mali chonga mani sitiva. Je le freestyle mani sipusha baiva. It's like mani chonga dwana sibuyi ngava.
I first ukuthi xethetha nawe yemthitha yiva.
Yeah.
Sithume dala shishi thina siphumele niniva.
Hey.
Andali nawe mhlambi I hope uyandiva. Okanye ufuna ngithele mo emthitha ndiyagiva.
Okay, chonga mani yakho ballpoint upper. It's just that we getting the point mean upper. My nigga, yeah, you know how it is. Ungasa papa, this is how we get it. My nigga, buya papa.
Dala le way brother yamthina sayibetha. Uthoka Zulu Natal. Omushido thini kompetha. Betha nje manje freestyle yamahala. Okanye mhlambi wena style sethu ungasibhadala.
Aye, ina etele way mani yabaleka like so mani chonga mana kusayo yeka. Ina kanchane mani chonga kuye kusheka. Chonga mani chonga aba week in the time keta.
Dala sabala, dala sayibala. Nyuka sibakala. Sithonga sobala, shiya makhala. Thina sudala sibetha le way kaso. Banye abantwana bathi King Picasso.
All my niggas how we go, yo. And all my niggas on another motherfucking flow. And yeah, you know and how we did it on the no. All my niggas, yeah, you know this is how we get it go.
Zisezawulala lapha sisayiqala lapha thina engqondweni pen nephepha siyalibhala lapha sikhuphe le bithini embokweni wakhalaza sayazi ubana mhlambe nawe sazabalaza.
This how we move, my nigga. Even if though it's a struggle proof, my nigga. Yeah, you know how it is, you figure out how we do it in this freestyle and bigger.
Stay table for two, sifune ke mntu silapha barupi kule ndawo kwathiwa batambu sibetha ke nyani sayazi man kukhona abantu noba bayithu bazawulaka le weyi ke bro.
Kalokho mani chonga kudala sisiza chonga ntwana yami usokushiya ukrwala ngembiza for the time nigga sisibiza chonga uzobona ngathi mani sesisifika.
Wanjenga moto siyacela maqhubekeka ungabi sipeksi nawe uxhomekeka siyacela mephule lonto uboyiyeka kanye mhlambi yibuilding yakho ingasibhidlileka.
Ungayimani usheka chonga nawe mani chonga oluleka kulenkelo yambayo mani khululeka nakanjani mani vuleka
uthi elomtshita yendlela ukukhululeka but yiba ngumuntu respecteka baluleka ihlohlezela nawe bangathi sipaleta noba indlela isede manje babhalele neleta.
Noba wenza njani man uzokren noba sekutheni money deep inside his head. Yeah, you know how it is, just to get it on the tip. Cause ain't no other like you in this life on the bench.
Yo, you better understand. Not this particular stand here, but you see me there. That the good money now over there. You press to like, you press to share, you subscribe, man. Yeah, that's a Subsuki nightmare. Ndimu nama jida ama ninzi many man. Basama klabe rap mfunu zenzo Eminem. But the flow come nandi namu jingu body there.
All my niggas, this is how we get it, All my niggas, do it, then without no fear. Yeah, you know how it is, do it on the chair. Yeah, you know how it is, get it on the time of tear.
You free freestyle style zamhala ndingaxelela lento ngicabanga ukuthi yabhalwa hayi bhalwa mani lento man lento man yadalwa chini nwandicango elingavalwa
Apa mani choka grepto ngasa nakanchani mana phuma mqomeni kekesa and anytime all my niggas still we get it and rock anytime all my niggas dip in the slap.
It's LB and nigga first Gamajita was a dressy. It's LB and nigga first Gamajita la base dressy. It's LB and nigga first Gamajita la base dressy. It's LB and nigga first Gamajita bala. Excuse me ngokuthi le ndaba mani wesi singamajita hlale pha ngasedwese Westville oyilili temane sitoyito yasivele ezindabeni sichisivili hi yes we acting as gohili sinomoya umdaka but sifayithela lezindlu utheni nibhida mani izindlu zethu uqhubanite izindlu zethu zasengapha ngasese hey
kaloku sikhulele dustin jonge zami mani sikhulele bobosini Entwana yamu noti mani choke mbombosini everything we do mani chonga sikhulele yekhini it's what we do tipping it within it chonga mani siphila so deep inside the dream my niggas in you seen it in the time my nigga in it yeah kwele ngathi mani siphila so when it's breathing
eqale kenza toyitoya sasifuna izindlu kuba basinika nabo toilet londo man sistory sita silapha kum but kuthiwa ndisemncinci I have to understand mani kuthiwa ikhona mani inkulu mani le mali mani izayo ayicabanga uba imalende I take it step by step dakanti yaqoda ndishibilike nje kamnandi you can call it step ladder yes yemani imali ayilendi nami ndiyayibona mani imali mani bayispendi yema kanti babona khalo mama khali ngani bathu kwenzeka ntoni lenda yinyikima
inyikima sonzo bathini ndiyayithatha enakanjani ngasikhathi sohlala ndibamba sho enakanjani mani jonga mandoyilanda yo ifandisiyilanda ngibano soyolandelanda
nigga LP and nigga first chita laphe bayi mama chita asetwisi isi LP and nigga first machita laphe bayi lapha mane twisi is LP and nigga first amachita laphe bayi amane twisi is LP and nigga first
Chita money as a buy
sure gola fest ilento kamnake manje ngithanda amadzetse manje madzetse lawe fest yes ziyadansa sasetwesi baxa selifikile ndezi sapha west yes xa senrap manantengi emanani bongi emanani bamba keke yes benchilo andiqhome keke jola inkomo uqhoka amariva siphini teki
Oma niggas chonga saibet no biteki no basekunjani ndwana mani asiyeki so we moving on my niggas on this checkmate when you got it on the plate anytime I get it late
no binjani mani umjita asiyeki nyama iteketeke yichicken lena yitheki yes amajita wabambeki sephuke nedindi mani yichibilika
straight kaxelela mani iplate zokuphuma side to side and anytime I necky all my niggas I'm money chonga mana snaky for the time you know this the rhyme net
first zelunga idibalu baxele bastengi nika weekend baking nika mana stengi yes singena straight man to socials abanye bazasibona man ngale ngoma bazosazi
Kanchani money chonga this is how we do it all my niggas yeah we know it how we ever move it this is time to change the beat all my niggas in it this is just a freestyle deep sudden in it all my niggas udwele yeah you know how it is utumba slele chaka money kyotileka money bele down now for my niggas in it get it down yeah
back in again feeling no pain flying like plane having like plane short champagne he wasn't born on breaking chains in New Spain participate John White Vulgate turning away the money would tear like a straight Makiyo man dishing out the plates
it's how we do it never late for the time all my niggas in it get to change the beat change the beat change the beat
change the beat and then that change the beat
change the beat
change the beat change the beat change the beat
Change the beat. Change the beat.
Change the beat,
The man a change the beat. The Rasta man a change the beat into a brittle beat. And everybody wanna listen to the soul kid. And everything that they're doing in his soul did. Tell you about the things that we know we so
yeah. Ngeza sebaye mani zisukele sibaya. Nawe mani sikele nusetu na ungasibaya.
Yes, I.
Hey man, when ungasibaya ha. Instead stabileyo mani sibone peke ba.
The only one who can do it like this and time. Every time you needed something, we can sing a rhyme. And every time you think we open a spine, we can do it on the things that they say and on the time.
Yeah, Jogi Chemkolo man in Sababa was fine. I'm a man, they want a money, yeah, man is fine. Yeah, it's like a sugar salty man is fine. As long as Bukono 6, Bukono 9.
Shaking every time I'm breaking. In the time that we got in time when I'm breaking. Come on, just keep it that working. In the time that the cook choking and I'm working.
All of them niggas that keep it working. All of the girls that keep it twerking, all of the guys that keep it hurting, wanting their money every day, you end up in hurting.
Real man on this, got GGI first, yeah, you know we kill this.
No money kill that.
I wait not bet this, tell it bet on the time, for my nigga read this.
No one ever get
This is just
it.
another rhythm. In the time when you needed something on the get them.
Something wanna get
Yeah,
it.
time for the rhythm. In the everything we use it for the time I get the bear on the side.
Rastafari, the strongest man on earth.
On
Our man, they born a man, they wear your man, say it.
Look, man.
Iyankana, China man, say it.
man.
Iyankana, nigga man, say
Beat that
it.
thing up, beat that thing. Every time you get it and I beat that thing. Beat that thing, man, beat that thing. Every time you get it, man, I beat that thing.
Beat that thing,
Man, I beat that thing.
Man, you are born a man, we call him a demeda.
It's about a murder. In that time I know it and I get it on a murder.
Askisi, my sister. Elungena na mujeni dalanji assist. If he can differently up and bona gogna 60. Defeat. So tati claim kule city.
Take the claim, no blame in the time. If I know something in the time and another rhyme.
In the time another rhyme.
In the time I sign and then everything you pull up for the black people in mind.
The far right, the strongest man on earth.
Yes, I.
want that bona man you get. Okay, Tula. He's like in full of man to a keta. I'm the first person man who cannot just my
Fire to the blackest people in a way. You know we do it anytime and any time of day. You know it's just a freestyle in a time of day. You know we keep it for a while in the summer way.
It's freestyle. It's I first and Gingy.
It's freestyle.
We ain't high. Higher than the men that talk to God to face. I say my God, why this lane and everything like this? The man will weep, please Lord, please repent us all.
Burn the Babylon away, and then anything that burn the wickedness away. Keep it clean inside the day, and everybody on the time and then on the way.
On say better the way. That is for the money, way. That the money, they might figure away. Figure no be yabanga you train. It's railway. Not the any minimum and funu way. Rust the first, yeah. Sbuja them salsa. Yeah. Sbuja them salsa. Waka walbona. Inigala some zanzi. Shaking, don't shake it, Johnsi. Hey, my brother. Hey, London money, yeah, in Cuba. Hey, brother. Don't know what to say, but it's our Bangale flow. It's a freestyling mixtape. It's Iron first. Chita was the west. Chita was the west. Philip Paukalanga the twist. One man a ban, one man no man this. Banya ban run about better put him at this. My man the flows something not is that miss. Banya ban needs the batty flows that jabolis. Technica now on dictation that cabolis. Here bangati fighting them Shamdan Cabanis. He my first and phone no Pazanis. Wabana your money beat it like this, but it come man when no bet it when I is as full coop it like a tramp coop and this. That's no loaner money this. This is me and again. Doesn't figure man this was a young king. But in guess man I came to strain. I'm straight like a train. With my niggas bambin again. I'm straight. Unity is one. Is key to success. Is unity, my brother. Yeah. ngasengitshintsha lama-flow bona ama-flow $100 sandido nami undifuna idombolo ndibona nankandibuka ngalotshini idolomboya cela kwani unkulunkulu mani load thene mani nganiki imali money with the load yize kumo money I download ingene kugugulu money straight on the phone oh you please my load uke ngalidolo mani ndiyacela mani kosibili no kawunike mani isibindi mbone zonke i-enemies it's like mani kwispili it's impossible it's like imishini leyo mission possible eklasa ndiyenza mani ndiyavumbulula ndiyayazi zikhona ezazidakela amajita nobhulu lebe ndiyazi nami ngoba ndiqala nomkhulu bakhona bazofika apha kumbani ndezisulu ndahamba nami umane tyhini mani ndafosta banye bathi kumukola hola water sisulu bayandiphakamisa bathi thena usenza le nto thina uyasinyisa benzama ubetha njengemnandi benzama unincamisa ndiphinde ndinijabulise nathi flow yam indakhabulisa nathi flow yam indakhabulisa nathi flow yam indakhabulisa yena nika fresh mani tyhini susulisa
kaloko mani ndingenza mani zi alitete mani chongo yakhe mani nkri ngisatha mani ngezone thama nene tree lana yamu umnankhule mani ngomkoko chonga lana yamu chonga ndicele loko koko khule ngale rap mani saniye nethamoko cho mani chonga lana khule nokoko inkeke mani bendeti flows in the choco you smoke inkeke mani ni style amanu mani chonga bapete mani you ride it all my niggas you know every time we you wild and all my niggas on the dope you know we just style got this on the time I give it up all my niggas you know and every time I keep it truck yeah you know how it is all my realest on the truck chonga school like you the way and every time we stress you know we do it like this man and everything you do we do it clean and this man and everything they do it they just get it in this and they wanna see us in the time I tip it in this and I got Kinji on this in the time I know when the time I get it in the time my niggas on the flow hey you see better so when the time my niggas on the grow rules burn slow when the time I burn it's like I choke ayo
kabayeke Resti kabayeke
yo
it's I first
Yo.
and your nigga Gingy. They used to call me LP ngela xesha sasibetha i-out yam ke lena i-rap uthandi yestudio ndiqale nale legend when it comes to rap side yaqonda i-out yam yangi-inspirishayo kakhulu isitatus masiyibethe lewe like i-area yayo ibishushu ishushu kwami i-area sadityaniswa ke ngoku and abantu bazibonela hey yantswam sasithi siyi-Yellow Mellow Boys ke la
Yellow Mellow Boys
Dala.
the West
sibancinci 13-14 years of age ke la xesha recorder ukhumbula serapper ngapha ku-cypher yaseslove post office wacima izipika nenja yam yeva
zethu
bekhona othethe pha besithi face to face ne-AMC yeah kodwa ke mfethu inspiration yale rap yalapha mfethu ebhayi xa sithethe inyani salute ulenika Todd man Todd wayibaselikazi no Kaiser bye
Hello, my nigga.
yeah thank you
got this